Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing, well, not reviewing, but I'll be using dual forms for the very first time. With Polygel, I never used them. They always come with all my Polygel kits, so I figured why not give it a try. This is not a tutorial, it's just to watch me work, and I'm gonna kind of explain what I did. So I did my right hand off of camera, and I know I'm extremely ashy, but I fixed that later on in the video. So the first thing that you want to do is just prep your nails how you would normally. I have a video on my channel on how to prep nails. If you're unfamiliar, I'll leave that linked in the description box. So after I prep my nails, I just apply protein bond. This is the Young Nails protein bond. This is the only one that I've ever used, and it works pretty good for me. So after the protein bond, you want to apply a base coat, and you want to cure that. I apply 2 layers of the base coat because, I don't know, that's just what I do. But, you know, to each his own. I also wanted to mention that everything that I'm using in this video is from the green Polygel Makartt kit, and I'll leave it linked in the description box for you guys. Okay, so once everything is cured, you want to take some dual forms and measure each nail. I recommend using one size bigger than your actual nail, just because when you push the dual form on your nail with the Polygel, you want it to sit nicely on the nail bed. You don't want it to be too small and then you have to push it down and the Polygel starts to spill out of the dual form. Okay, so before I continued, I had to really stop playing myself and just get some cuticle oil and hydrate my cuticles, because after I use that nail surface cleaner, it just literally dries out my whole entire finger. Like, yeah. That's why they be looking so ashy, okay? It's not me. It's just not how I live every day. That's not it. Okay, so now we're ready to start spreading the Polygel. For my slip solution, I'm using 100% acetone and this brush that I got from Makartt. I'm just spreading the Polygel throughout the form, making sure that the corners and edges are way thinner than the actual body of the nail, just because when you push it down, you don't want a whole bunch of Polygel to be spilling out of the nail. And these forms, they actually have lines on them so you can make sure that each nail is the same length. I thought that was super helpful. But for my first time, it was pretty cool. Like, I would definitely do it again. I definitely have to perfect it because the sides of my nails came out way thinner, but I don't know. It was my first time, and it gives you a really natural look. It's quick, easy. Definitely recommend this for beginners. Dual forms come with almost every Polygel kit that I've ever brought, so you don't have to buy anything extra. So once you have the Polygel in the dual form the way you want to have it, you want to place it right on your nail. And you want to lightly push it down, not too hard, but lightly push it down so it's actually on the nail. You're going to see a little Polygel come out. You can always clean that up with your brush and some acetone to make sure, you know, no product is on the actual skin. have the nail secured on your, well, the dual form secured on your nail, you want to cure it on the top for 60 seconds, and then you want to flip your hand over and cure the bottom of the nail for 60 seconds. And then after that, you can go ahead and pop the dual form off and shape the nails to your desire. So one thing I did forget to mention is that once you have the dual form on your nail, you want to flip it over and push the product off of your actual finger. This is what my nails look like right after I popped each dual form off before filing. This is the product that makes me ashy in every video. I want you guys just to know that. It's the Gelish nail surface cleaner, and I'm just removing the sticky layer from the product before filing, because if you don't do this and you just go straight into filing, you're gonna ruin your nail file. Filing alone, this process was way easier, just having to file straight polygel. I would definitely be using dual forms again because it gives me a super natural look while adding length to my nail as well. Definitely like that. This is what my nails looked like after filing and once I applied the top coat. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media so you don't miss my next video. Later.